Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you one of the most delicious Vietnamese dish called bánh bột lọc. With the modern way today I'm sharing, you will find the very fast and easy to make bánh bột lọc. Everybody loves this dish, everyone, included the kid. Watch this. Hi Ben.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah. What is your favorite dish you want me to make for you?
I like bumblebee.
Bánh bột lọc. Okay. Can you say it again? What do you like?
I like bumblebee.
I will make for you. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is my grandson. His favorite is bánh bột lọc. He loves to eat. So join me in my kitchen today with the very fast and easy way to make bánh bột lọc. Look what I have today. This is a 4 inches mini dash to make bánh bột lọc. Can you believe it? So I create this with the Vietnamese dish, so it turned out beautifully and very easy to make. So join me in my kitchen today to make bánh bột lọc. And this is how delicious, yummy bánh bột lọc look like after get it done. And this is a little machine you can order online. So please check the description below. I have put the link so you can order from there. It's very convenient. So if you ordered, maybe you can order more than one. And to make bánh bột lọc today, we're gonna need 1 bag of tapioca starch and 16 grams of cornstarch, 4 cups of water, a teaspoon of cooking oil, and a pinch of salt. We added up all the ingredients, mix well, mix everything quite well, and then we start to make the cake. First of all, before we make the cake, of course we're gonna need the filling. Okay, the filling I don't have time to share in this video. I will share for the next one. So please watch for the follow video, and I will add it on later at the below description. So please check it out. So now let's start to make the bánh bột lọc. So make sure before you pour the mix to the grill, mix well, okay? And then just scoop one like this and put it on the grill, just like that. Turn around and cover the lid. This procedure will take about a few minutes before you open the lid and then take the CREPT out. So see, it's very fast to get it cooked. So now you can take it out like that and upside down, put the CREPT onto the non-stick tray, which already have some fried green onion. Before you put the filling to the CREPT, you add it on the powder to the grill to get it ready for next. Okay, now it's time to put the filling. You see the shrimp? Yes. You put the right side at the bottom center, okay, facing down at the middle, and you put the meat on top, just like that. Don't put too much meat because we have to, it will be hard to fold the CREPT. So after you put the filling, you fold it one end and then fold the other end. Press at the both sides, and that's it, we're done. See, very nice and fast. So time to take the second one out, again upside down to the tray, and then before we put the filling, we're gonna add another scoop to the grill. Okay, so just take turn like that. When you do by yourself, you don't have to explain anything, so you do it faster. Okay, place the shrimp in the middle, facing down, and put the meat on top at the middle, okay? Put right in the middle, because we're gonna fold both sides toward to the middle. See, just like that, and then press down on the top, both the top, and that's it, we're done. Just like that. Look delicious. As you can see, it's very fast to make, to finish 1, 2, and then you have to finish at no time. So again, upside down the crepe, put on the non-stick tray, and then pour the powder, the mix to the machine, and then put the filling right in the middle, the shrimp upside down, and then the meat on the top, and then fold in both sides toward to the middle. Press on top both ends, and that's it, we're done. See, nicely, and the shrimp shows very, very delicious, very, very beautiful. See, little machine here is very fast and very easy, to make it, you know. And the texture is very nice also. If you make it and you couldn't finish the same day, you can put the leftover in the fridge, and the next day you can just warm it up for like 20-30 seconds, depending on how many. So it tastes as good as, you know, like just fresh made. So it's very good. You will love it. Okay, so see, just folding like that. Folding both sides. Press on the top so that the mix will stick together. See how nice. Looks so yummy, and it is yummy. Okay. Very fast to make. If you don't have to say anything, you just do it, you know, then it's very fast. You take turn one by one after the other. So you put the shrimp upside down, okay, the facing down, and add meat on top. This shrimp today I use is the size 3140, but it's up to you. You can use any size of shrimp you want. And also, this cake can be used, the filling, like you can use any kind, any beef, chicken, or even veggie, you know. So you can do anything you want. Just change the filling in the middle, and then, you know, the crepe is the same. See how many we done so far? I think it's about 7 or 8. Upside down the shrimp and the meat on top. If you're not sure about how to make the filling, you can watch out for the next video, okay? See, this machine, like as you know, that is original. Original they use for egg and for pancake. So if you already have the machine, now add another dish in there. So it's gonna be it's versatile. It's so great. You know, I create this and I modify to use this for this delicious Vietnamese food, and it's turned out beautiful. Like, it turned out great. So I got to share this so everybody can do it with the fast and easy way to make it. And just watch out for the next video how to make the bánh bột lọc by the traditional way, which is with the banana leaf. Okay? Look at that. Very yummy. So we just continue, you know, to take turn one dish, and then put the powder, the mix to the machine, and then put the filling to the other. So it's very fast to make it, and then you can have a plate to eat it very soon. Okay, this machine look like a little toy, but they make so good. They make the dish very yummy. I cannot believe it, and you should try it, and you know what I mean. So it's very fast, very fast. Okay, and with the mix, with the recipe I share with you today, the crepe is just perfect, like soft, chewy, but not hard. So anybody can eat it, even the kids. So that's why my grandson love it so much, because he can eat. It's not like too chewy, you know. See, upside down. Make sure you have to have the non-stick tray. Okay, so it will be easy to take it out. You know, the cake without stick in the bottom. Yeah, just like that. See, remember to press on the top both ends, and that's it. We're done. Look at that. This is the plate of bánh bột lọc made from the 4-inch grill. Delicious, fast, easy, and it's very tasty. Make sure you try it, okay? Try to make it for you, for your family, for your friend, to try this dish. Share, you know, for everybody can do it, because it's so fast and so easy. And also please join me for the next video, how to make bánh bột lọc with the traditional way, wrapped with the banana leaf. See how it looks just like this. It's very tasty, very yummy, and it's very simple to make. I promise when you follow the recipe, you will love it. And that is the promise. And thank you very much for watching Lee Dynasty Kitchen, and don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and please subscribe so I can make some more videos. You can see it next, what coming up with the very delicious Vietnamese food, and it's a lot more to come. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.